How can you easily and simply sharpen your chisels at home? For this, you'll need a profile sharpening block. This is what it looks like. It's a wooden block covered with leather. On the back, there's a QR code with a link to a YouTube video tutorial on how to conveniently do this at home. In addition to the block, you'll also need polishing paste or doi paste. And if you need not only to hone your tool, but also to sharpen it, you'll also need sandpaper. It can come in different grits. We'll show you in more detail and explain the differences between the types of profile blocks, so you can choose the one that's best for you. Profile blocks are used for polishing, honing, and sharpening tools. They come in 3 sizes. The first size is 20 centimeters. It's small like this, convenient for transportation or for storage, for example, in a drawer when you need to save space for sharpening. Next, the medium size is 30 centimeters. And the full-size version of the sharpening stone, which is most often used in stationary workshops, has a length of 40 centimeters. The distinguishing feature of this profile stone is that it has special grooves where you can hone and sharpen absolutely any tool. Both semicircular and angled, gently sloped, as well as straight chisels or knives. Now we'll show you in more detail how you can do this. First, you need to rub your profile stone with polishing paste or GOI paste. The entire leather surface should be covered specifically with polishing paste. After this, you take the tool you need, for example, a semicircular chisel. Insert it, without lifting the handle, pay attention to this, into the special groove for semicircular chisels. And with these circular, longitudinal motions, you move your tool, your cutting edge. Next, once you've honed it from the outside, this profile block also has a groove for sharpening the tool from the inside. The same circular motions, trying not to lift the handle of the chisel itself. You make elongated movements. For your chisel, you only need a few strokes, up to 10 on the outside, 10 on the inside, and your tool will be sharpened. If for some reason you first need to straighten the cutting edge, that is, to sharpen it, and then hone it, before you hone the tool, you need to place sandpaper on this profiled block and perform the same motions. If you are sharpening the tool before honing, we recommend starting with sandpaper of 800 grit. Then move on to a finer grit, 1000, and the final sharpening should be done with 1000 grit, or even 1200. For example, let me show you with a knife. As you can see, with the cutting edge facing you, and the motions should be away from yourself. Again, we emphasize, do not lift the knife. And repeat the same thing after sharpening it on a polishing stone with paste. This is so the tool is honed and cuts wood as cleanly as possible. A corner chisel. We place it into the profile specifically for corner chisels. The same movements, long strokes, we hone the outer part of the chisel, and by turning the profile stone. With the other side, we hone the inner side of the corner chisel. We recommend thoroughly wiping down the tool before honing and sharpening it. And after use as well, after honing, after sharpening, remove any remaining polishing compound from the tool. After that, check the quality of the cut on a piece of wood to make sure the tool is already sharpened and honed. Everything is ready. You have sharpened and honed your chisels at home all by yourself using just a single profile stone.